This is practice test number 6, and we are working on number 5, and we're going to be doing letters B, C, D, and E. And here we see letter A from the previous problem, the previous video, when we set up this decision tree based on the information that we were given. If you need to review how the tree was made, you can watch the previous video. But we're going to have to refer to this in order to answer the questions here. Now, if we go to letter B, the question is, based on the decision tree, answer the following questions. What is the probability that a shopper will enter a store and make a purchase? So we want to look at our tree, and we're looking at the probability that a shopper will enter a store, and that's this group of shoppers here on this line, and they will make a purchase. So they will make a purchase here. And what is the probability that a shopper will enter a store and make a purchase? It is 30%. And then if we go to letter C, the question is, what is the probability a shopper will shop online and make a purchase? So we're looking at shoppers who shop online and they make a purchase. So both of these lines apply, and we find that the probability that a shopper will shop online and make a purchase at 33%. Now letter D is a little more difficult because the question is, if a person shops online. So we're assuming here that a person is shopping online, and if that's true, what is the probability he will not make a purchase? This is not an and question as the previous two were. This one says, what is the probability a shopper will shop online and make a purchase? That includes both. But this one here, we are given, or we are assuming, that the person shops online. And if that is true, what is the probability he will not make a purchase? So on our decision tree, the shopper is shopping online right here. We assume that's true. And if that was true, then what is the probability that he will not make a purchase? And that is right here, which is 45%. So, and that is given to us in the problem. 55% made a purchase, which means 45 did not of the online shoppers. Our answer is 45%. And then on letter E, what is the probability a shopper, either online or in store, will make a purchase on Cyber Monday? And so it doesn't matter whether the person is online or in the store. What is the probability they will make a purchase? Well, here we have 33% of the people made purchases online, and down here we have another 30% of the people who made purchases in store. And so we would add those two together, and the answer would be 63% of people shopping on Cyber Monday made purchases